Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your payment method in Amazon Associates. If you're an eligible Amazon associate and want to make sure your commissions are paid using your preferred method, follow these simple steps. First, log into your Amazon Associates Central account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the top right corner where your account information or store ID is displayed. Hover over it, then click Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you're on the Account Settings page, scroll down until you find the Payment and Tax Information section. Here, look for the option called Change Payment Method and click on it. Amazon may ask you to verify your account by entering your password or completing an additional security check. Now, you can choose the payment method available for your account. Depending on your location and account eligibility, Amazon Associates may offer options such as direct deposit, Amazon gift card, or check. If you choose direct deposit, enter the requested banking information carefully. Make sure the details you provide are correct and match the requirements for your country. After entering all the required information, review everything one more time. When you're ready, click Submit or the applicable Save button to confirm your payment method. And that's it. Your Amazon Associates payment method has been updated. Keep in mind that available payment options and requirements can vary depending on your location. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Amazon and affiliate marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching.